Hello, how are you KG2? Welcome to another video from the literacy book Chantal. Today we are going to see together a chant. We are going to chant it together and we are going to read it together. Okay, this page from your literacy book Chantal, page 24. Page 24. Okay, here the chant is about a zoo. A zoo and the animals in the zoo. Let's see it together. Look, this is the zoo and this is the entrance of the zoo. This is the door, and look here, this is the word zoo. Remember we took before the oo letters, and one of these, the oo sound, and we took many words on the oo sound. One of them was zoo. Zoo. Let's enter the zoo together and see what inside it, what we can see inside it. The first thing we can meet at the beginning is the moose. Moose, we said before. The moose is kind of animals. We cannot see it here in Egypt, but we can see it abroad in Australia and in Africa. Okay, what's here standing in front of the moose? Yes, this is a goose. Goose. G-O-O-S. Goose. Okay. And here, what's this? Something like a monkey? Yes, we call it baboon. Baboon. What's he holding in his hands? He's holding balloon. Balloon. So the baboon is holding a balloon. And at the end we can see something that we took the sound in the middle of it before, which is the long E. It's EA sound, which is E, like in meat, meal, peach. And this one is seal. Seal. Okay. And here is the seal. Let's see the chant all together. I'm going to say it all at once, then we are going to read it with each other part. We are the zoo, me and you. What can you see? Say it with me. I can see a seal, it's eating a meal. I can see a moose and I can see a goose. There's a big baboon with a red balloon at the zoo, zoo, zoo. This is how we can read it all together at once. Then let's try to read it with you one by one, each word by each word. Okay, let's split them into two parts. Let's see the first part together. Word. We took these words before, but we are going to read it one by one. Here, we. And this is apostrophe, then R-E. It means that I abbreviate the other word, which is R. I cancel the A and I put instead of it the apostrophe. So I didn't say we are, I will say it we are. We are. I'm going to read it quickly like this. We are. So, we are at. Very easy. At. TH says what? We said it before. Every day we say this. The. E? No. It's the. The. TH says the. We're at the other word's very easy. Zoo. Zoo. And this is the zoo. We are at the zoo. We are at the zoo. So it's very easy to read if you blend all the sounds together. Then read it all again, the whole sentence. Me, me, and, me, and, This is very easy, we took it before. You. Okay. Me and you. Me and you. And at the end, we can see full stop because this is a sentence, not a question. Okay. The other line. I'm not going to do anything with the first word because we took this before in many questions. What is your name? What do you like to eat? We took many questions start with this word, what. What, and we said that the H is silenced and zipping, so I'm going to say what at what. 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 And this one, can. Can. What can, again, you, we took it before, very easy. What about the last one? S, E, again, it's a long E sound, but not with EA, it's double E. Like in what? Like in green. So here it's C. So all of the question is, what can you see? And it starts with what. It means that this is a sentence or a question. Of course it's a question. What do we put at the end of any question? I can hear someone of you is saying question mark. Here is the question mark. So what can you see? What about this word? We took it in the A words. Remember, hay, may, clay, play, a, which is s, a, say. Say, it. We took it in many sentences. It is a book. It is a card. It is a game. So this is it, it. Then, I, we. TH says what? TH says whether th or the. Th or the. Here it says the. So it will be we, the, with. So say it with, we said this before, me. One of the crazy words in English. We didn't say me, it's me. So say it with me. Say it with me. Full stop. We are at the zoo, me and you. What can you see? Say it with me. Let's move to the other part. It's a little bit bigger than the other one, but it's very easy. And we took most of the words in it. Let's start with the first one. I, like I am, and say your name. I am 13, or I am 7, or I am 6. So I, very easy. I. And this word, we took it before in the other part, on the first part. K and can. I can. I can do this. I can do that. Okay. So I can. Again, repeated word. See. I can see. What? We took it before. Seal. I can see a seal. And at the end, full stop. Here we can see another word that has abbreviation. Like we did and like we said before in we are, we canceled the A and put comma or apostrophe. We are doing this again here. This word should be it is. It is. What happens here? I canceled the I from the is and put instead the apostrophe or this comma. So it will be it's. It's, not it is, it's. It's. Let's split this word into two parts. Eat. Eat. The E sound. We took eat before, like in meat and meal. Well, and what's here? What can you see here? We said this sound before in your reading booklets. It's ing. Ing. Remember? Ing. Ing. When you put your fingers here, you can feel vibration. Ing. Ing. If we put both together it will be eating, eating, eating. So it's eating a, again repeated word from before, meal, like lunch, like dinner, like breakfast. So it's eating a meal. Who's eating the meal? The seal. I can see a seal. It's eating a meal. He's very hungry. And full stop at the end. Again, repeated sentence, but with a different ending word. Let's see. I, can, see, a. But here, different word. So, I can see a what? Oo sound, then s. Moose. Moose. Excellent. Okay. The other one. And. I, again, can see a goose. So sometimes we have same repeated sentence and words, but with a different word at the end. This means that I should read each word ya KG2, please. And I can see a goose. So I can see a seal. It's eating a meal. I can see a moose, and I can see a goose. What else? Here I have this word, and we see this word before in our practice booklet, in our handwriting booklet, in many exercises, and we said it before. We have here TH. TH says the or the. Here it will say the. Do we say the era? No, it's one of the crazy words. It will be there. And again the comma. It's abbreviated, the word is. So I will not say there is, I will say there's. There's a, b, I, g. B, I, g. Big. So this word is big. Very easy one. And the last word from the oo words, which is baboon. There is a big baboon. Okay, here we said this word before in the first part. With. And this is very easy. We took this, it is one of the letters that we took it before, and very easy. Even if you didn't take it before, it's very easy to blend the sounds together. Red. With the red what? Remember in the first picture, we see the baboon was sitting and he was holding what? A balloon. What was the color of the balloon? Yes, it was red. So with the red, what? With the red balloon, and full stop. With the red balloon. So here the two sentences are telling me what's happening with this animal. There is a big baboon. What's this big baboon is doing? With a red balloon. So this means that this this big baboon is holding a red balloon. Where? The seal, the meal, the baboon, the moose, the goose, all of these actions happened where? Yes, at the THE says the, at the zoo, comma again, zoo and zoo. We repeated 3 times, at the zoo. So if you are going to read this part together, okay, I can see a seal. It's eating a meal. I can see a moose and I can see a goose. There's a big baboon with a red balloon. At the zoo, zoo, zoo. So this is our chant, and this is the end of our story or of our chant. Please read it more than once in your books. It's very easy, and see you inshallah next time in another video.